Hey guys, so guess what I got? I'm so excited. So if you guys know the YouTuber Zaria McQueen, she has her own lash line called Zminx. Now, they have super fast shipping because I ordered, today's Friday. I ordered on Wednesday and I got it today. So I'm super excited. So inside, I got her bundle of holiday lashes, which comes with its own tweezers. I'm excited because I never use those type, but maybe that'll help me because because you guys know I be struggling sometimes. This I was very excited about. This is her lash tack. Her packaging is really pretty, guys. It has a brush applicator. I'm excited about that because I've seen other women go along their line with the glue, and that works better sometimes, so I'm excited to try that out. I also got her lip pencil in the color Bear. So I'm excited. It's basically, it's just a brown, like a nude. And then I got her lip gloss, which again is, this light hates me. So yeah. So today I'm going to be using her products, as well as I picked up e.l.f. highlight and contour. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna go for a neutral look, or like, yeah, basic everyday. And I'm going to be using the Chocolate Bar palette by Too Faced. You know how to throw it back. So let's get started, guys. Alright guys, so we're starting with the color Semi Sweet as a transition shade. We are going to be building up the intensity. The idea is to have a neutral smoky eye, something we can wear every day. So now we're going to grab a crease brush in the color Triple Fudge, and we're going to put that into our crease. We're trying to define our crease a little bit and smoke it out. Make sure that you blend out your crease to stop any harsh lines. We want to make sure that this is as blended as can be. Make it as seamless as can be. That's the goal, guys. So here I am going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer with the satin finish. I use the color Deep Chestnut to cut my crease. I'm still trying to learn this technique, guys, so I look a little crazy when I do this. Here I am going back in with Triple Fudge to redefine my crease. It kind of got lost when I cut it. Face Hangover RX 3-in-1 Prime Set and Refresh Spray. This is to use the color Candied Violet and make sure that it is very pigmented. I want this to show up. I'm a dark skinned girl and we just want to make sure I get all the pigment that I can. So that's why I cut my crease. Using the air spun powder in translucent, I'm going to put this on my face. This is to prevent any type of oiliness, supposedly. This is me trying this out. If you've noticed in my past few videos I've tried it out, I haven't noticed that much of a difference. I still do get oily. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave them down below. Right here I'm going in with my Juvia's Place foundation stick. Maybe it's not a foundation stick, I don't know. That's me because, you know, all that stuff was falling and I didn't realize you could see it on camera. Here I am using the e.l.f. makeup sponge to blend this out. Now in the past few videos you have seen me use my stippling brush from BH Cosmetics. I forgot actually, and this is definitely more comfortable to me. I feel like the brush definitely soaks up more product than the sponge. Back in with this concealer, I was trying to show you the separation in it. That could be a downfall of the product, although it doesn't show when I put it on my face. I tried mixing around and shaking it. The mixing was as best as I got. I like that this product is very easy to blend. It doesn't dry fast or anything. It comes out very thin and it's definitely a satin finish as it advertises on the bottle. So I got this color in the shade Rich Ebony and I like it. I think I should have gone to the shade right before it, although like I said, it still came together in the end. So here's where the stippling brush and myself have a bad, like a love-hate relationship or something, because I feel like it wasn't helping me blend at all. So you're going to see me switch to the Mary Kay face brush, and that definitely helped me blend it way more. I just feel like it was kind of harsh. And do you see how harsh that is? Like, I couldn't even use this brush for its true purpose because you're supposed to press it in and not rub it, and I had to rub it just to make this blend. Taking the airspun powder, I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, you know, my forehead, anywhere that I had any concealer, so that I can make sure there's no wrinkles, creasing, any of that good stuff, and it does not become oily after a few hours. I'm going to clean up my contour. I feel like I kind of blended it out a little bit too much. It's not, I didn't want it as harsh as it was earlier where it was not blended, but I wanted you to see some sort of difference. And as you can see, I put it up higher on the other side on accident, but you know, we're not perfect, so hey. Now I'm just going to spray my face with my setting spray again and go in with my Master Chrome in the color Molten Gold and highlight. You know, I like to make it in a C, so, you know, make that C, y'all. Alright, so this is the Zminx Holiday Collection bundle. There are 3 types of lashes in here. There's Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. These are mink lashes, you guys. And I chose to use Dancer as well as I'm trying out her lash tag. And I loved it. The consistency was pretty nice. You didn't have to wait for it to dry. It wasn't very watery. And there wasn't a funky smell, which is good. So as I said before, that this is my first time using these type of tweezers, and I struggled. I had to put my lashes on probably like 2 different times before I finally got it right. I kind of just felt like I was going to poke myself in the eye. I couldn't figure out my grip, so it was a bit of a task for me this time around. Please tell me another lash glue that you know that's gonna let you replace your lashes multiple times and not leave a stain. Y'all better go get that lash tag. Alright guys, here I am going in with the Milani lip pencil in the color Dark Coffee. I realized that the nude lip pencil that I got in the color Bear by her was just a little bit too light, so I couldn't use it on its own. So I just used it in the center, and then I topped it off with her clear lip gloss. And let me say that this was a look, y'all. So here's the lip gloss, and you see I'm playing around trying to test out the consistency. I smelled it. It doesn't really have a bad smell. It smells like vanilla actually, and the consistency is fire. It doesn't give you that it looks like you got spit when you open your mouth type. Like, this is a bad bitch type of lip gloss, y'all. Get it. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.